Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Sa umaga pong ito ay buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Romans chapter 8 verse 17. Ito po ang pagkasabi ng ating banal na kasulatan, we are heirs of God and joint heirs with Christ if indeed we suffer with Him. Sa umagang ito po ay pag-uusapan natin ang topic na pinamagatang God's Training School. Nung inadapt tayo ng ating Panginoon, mga kapatid, we become children of God. God adopted us to become His sons and daughters, and we become heir of the promises of God. But great privileges or great privilege brings great responsibility. Ibig sabihin, dahil tinawag tayong anak, we bring great responsibility. Anong sabi po ng 17 kung titingnan natin? Sinabi ni Paul, we become heirs of God and joint heirs with Christ if indeed we suffer with Him. Ito po yung training school ng ating Panginoon. It doesn't mean na dahil anak na tayo, hindi na tayo maghihirap. No? Hindi naman ito, when you come to Jesus, you will live happily ever after. No, hindi po ito. We will pass through the training school. God's syllabus for His children's education includes training through hardship. We will pass some hardships in life. We will pass some trials in life. But remember that the hard times we endure are God's way to prepare us for greater service for His glory. This is just a preparation for us so that we will become fully developed as the children of God. Dahil kung tayo po'y maging develop, alam niyo po, ito po'y maghahatid sa atin ng tagumpay. No? We conquer by continuing. Kung tayo lang po'y magpapatuloy, we will conquer and we will become successful in this Christian service to God. God's training school, remember, that we will pass some hard times, we will pass through the test, the quizzes. So this is part of God's syllabus for us to be fully developed for Christ's glory. God bless po at magandang umaga.
Thanking God they've come, an old man is standing.